only have $100? That's more than enough to start investing in 2026. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. But the truth is, you can start with just $100. First, open an investing account using apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Second, don't buy random stocks. Start with index funds like the S&P 500. Funds like VOO or SPY track the entire U.S. market and grow over time. Third, use fractional shares. You can own part of companies like Apple or Amazon with just $100. Fourth, think long-term. Investing is not a get-rich-quick game. If you invest $100 every month, it can grow into thousands in the future. Subscribe to Finance Logic Network for simple money tips. Like this video and comment START if you're ready to invest.